How to file for a protective order. Are you feeling unsafe and wondering how to file for a protective order? You're not alone, and it's important to know that help is available. A protective order is a legal document that can shield you from abuse, harassment, or threats, especially in cases of domestic violence. Let's break down the steps you need to take to file for one. First, you need to identify the type of protective order that fits your situation. There are different types, such as those for family violence, stalking, sexual assault, or harassment. If you are facing abuse from a spouse or family member, a family violence protective order is what you may need. Next, you will prepare the required forms. This usually includes a petition or request for protective order. You will need to provide details about yourself, the person you are seeking protection from, and the incidents that have occurred. Be ready to describe the history of abuse and any specific examples of threats or violence. Once your forms are ready, it's time to file the petition with the appropriate court. This is typically done at the district or circuit court in the county where you or the other person lives or where the abuse happened. You can often file in person, by mail, or electronically, depending on local rules. The good news is that there is usually no filing fee for protective orders. After you file, a judge may issue a temporary protective order, also known as an ex parte order. This provides immediate protection until a full hearing can take place. Law enforcement typically serves this temporary order to the person you are seeking protection from. A hearing will be scheduled soon after, often within 21 days. During this hearing, both you and the other party can present evidence and testimony. You will need to show proof of the abuse or threats, which can include police reports, medical records, or witness statements. Based on what is presented at the hearing, the judge will decide whether to grant a final protective order. This order can last for a specific period or be extended. It legally restricts the other person from contacting or approaching you and may include additional provisions like child custody or financial support. If you are worried about your safety, you can ask to keep your address confidential on court documents. Many local family violence shelters, legal aid offices, or district attorney's offices can assist you with filing and understanding the process. Remember, protective orders can also be part of divorce or child custody cases if they are relevant. Even if the other person agrees to the order, it still needs court approval to be legally binding. Filing for a protective order is an important step in safeguarding yourself from domestic violence and related issues. Understanding the process can help you take the necessary actions to protect your well-being.